Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you an overview of Samsara. So here we have the Samsara website. You can access this just by typing in samsara.com on your browser, whether that's on your phone or your computer. And once you're here, you can already log in if you have an account. But if not, then you can see their sign up page right over here. Just click on this sign up button and select your organization's country. Then you're going to be asked for a hardware serial afterwards. But if you also want, you can try out their demo. You can request for a demo. So you just need to fill in these details. So your full name, company name, work email, phone number, and then the number of vehicles or assets, and then have this submitted. And then once you submit, just wait for the Samsara team to reach back so that you can get your personalized demo, just so you can get this personal experience of how Samsara works directly from the Samsara team. All right, so that's how you request for a demo. In today's video, we're going to be focusing on what info we can gather from their website and what are the key features of Samsara. So to start things off, Samsara is a leading provider of Internet of Things or IoT solutions for fleet management, industrial operations, and safety monitoring. Its platform helps businesses improve efficiency, safety, and sustainability through real-time data and automation. So as you can see, connect your operations with Samsara. From safety to savings, we empower the most complex organizations and their people with an open, secure operations platform. All right, so what exactly are the key features of Samsara? Starting with fleet management. So Samsara has this feature called fleet management. It basically includes GPS tracking, route optimization, fuel efficiency monitoring, and driver safety analytics. Now they also have AI dash cams. So these include real-time video monitoring, AI-powered driver coaching, and accident detection. For equipment and asset tracking, you have monitor equipment location, utilization, and maintenance needs. They also have vehicle telematics for engine diagnostics, idle time tracking, and fuel consumption analytics. For compliance and safety, there's electronic logging devices or ELD, hours of service or HOS compliance, and driver behavior reports. Now for environmental and sustainability tracking, Samsara has carbon footprint monitoring, fuel efficiency improvements, and waste reduction tools. And there's also warehouse and site visibility. So this is for environmental monitoring, security alerts, and workflow automation. When it comes to API and integrations, Samsara connects with third-party apps, ERPs, and business management software. So here you can see Samsara is trusted by the largest organizations across industries. So these include waste management companies, construction companies, transportation, chemical carrier, grocery, wholesale, and retail. And let's try to go through some of the other features right here. So you have unified platform where you can run all your operations from one place. You can see a infograph right over here. Real-time visibility, get actionable insights across your workforce, vehicles, assets, and facilities. And workflows and reporting, where you can streamline workflows and make data-driven decisions with a best-in-class UX. So this is a sample of the interface and a mobile version as well, you can see. So it's an easy platform to use, especially or even when you're on the go. And then for their ecosystem, you can stay connected with seamless integrations and the largest partner ecosystem in the industry. So right there, let's try to check if we can find the integrations of Samsara. So right over here, we should see some of the integrations. So you have a developer API, there's an app marketplace, OEM integrations, developer portal, and experts marketplace. Let's try to check what they have. in the apps marketplace. So you can explore the solutions here. Some of the trusted names that are involved with Samsara. Let's try to check the solutions. All right, so they have an extensive list right over here, from Ford Pro to Navistar Gateway, General Motors, and it's also categorized accordingly. There's a filter system that allows you to view each app and integration accordingly. So you have these categories. So it's a very extensive list of integrations and apps. So feel free to check these out if you want to know more about it. And let's try to check the pricing of Samsara. So here under pricing, you can see that it follows a customized pricing, and it depends on the vehicles or which vehicles you're working with or which assets you have. So you can see, for example, cars, vans, trucks. Let's say those are the two assets you have. Then we're gonna hit next. And then how many vehicles or assets do you have? Let's say around 6 to 29. And which features are you interested in? You can include the type of features that you're looking for. Let's say all of those. And then input your company email, and then they will send you a customized quote for all the features that you need. So as you can see from the pricing section alone, you can already tailor the experience that you're gonna have with Samsara. So it'll also be ideal to just directly reach out to Samsara so that you can get a personalized communication with them, and then set your expectations and call for maybe specific features that you're going to be asking for, and then they will just directly give you their quote for it, and then you can personalize your experience based on your business needs. So that's for Samsara's pricing. Now with all the info we've gathered, we can sum the benefits of using Samsara to a few important pointers, such as enhanced efficiency. So Samsara optimizes fleet and operational performance with real-time data. With regards to improved safety, Samsara also helps reduce accidents and risk with AI-driven insights and alerts. Samsara also has a regulatory compliance, as they help businesses meet government regulations and industry standards. Cost savings also, as they help reduce fuel, maintenance, and operational costs. And in terms of scalability, Samsara is suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small fleets to large enterprises. So that's what we have for Samsara's website. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.